In the hush of the desert, where earth meets heaven, a white dove waits in silence. Some stories are etched in paper, others in the sky, this one carved in white stone. Mission San Xavier del Bac, often called the White Dove of the Desert, is a stunning Spanish Catholic mission just south of Tucson, Arizona.
So actually there's no proper hiking trail to the top. Rock and stone. But I'm gonna try it. It's very breezy and the beautiful view of the church you can see from here. Way to go. It's kind of a cool view from here. Cemented. That was really a good workout, but I must tell you, the view from the top is beautiful.
Welcome to the Mission San Xavier del Bac in Tucson, Arizona.
So guys, let's go inside and explore this beautiful church and the surroundings. Hot. Yes, we are almost getting close to Tucson downtown. Super hot here, so our plan is to get inside the church to do the church tour first. Then we are gonna hike all the way to the top of that hill where they have a cross, and it looks like it's very dusty and it's very rough hiking trail to the top of the hill. So
It was founded in 1692 by Jesuit missionary Father Eusebio Francisco Kino, who began his work among the Tohono O'odham people in what was then the northern frontier of New Spain. The original church was never completed, and it wasn't until 1783 that construction began on the current structure under Franciscan leadership, particularly Father Juan Bautista Valderin, who secured funding and hired architect Ignacio Gaono. By 1797, the mission was completed, making it the oldest intact European structure in Arizona. Built with local materials like low-fired brick and lime mortar, the church is a masterpiece of Spanish Colonial Baroque architecture, featuring elaborate frescoes, carved statues, and dramatic interior motifs. Its ornate interior is a feast for the senses. Vivid frescoes, hand-carved statues, and a richly decorated altar that still hosts regular Mass. The mission continues to serve the village of Wak, blending Catholic traditions with the O'odham hymndag, or way of life. Over the centuries, the mission weathered political shifts, from Spanish to Mexican to U.S. governance, and natural land disasters like earthquakes and lightning strikes. It was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1960 and continues to serve the Tohono O'odham community today. Restoration efforts are ongoing, especially on the ornate retablo facade, which still bears original 18th century finishes. These efforts aim to preserve the mission's artistry while honoring its cultural and spiritual legacy.
So basically that is all the tours that we can do inside the church, just inside the church and the museum. And there's a lot of rooms it's all locked, it's restricted. So the next thing, we are gonna hike to the top of the hill where they have the cross. It's really hot here, so it's gonna be a little bit exhausting, but we love to hike, so let's go.
Ooh, of the wondrous apparitions of Blessed Virgin Mary, Mother of God. There's no one else to be except right here. Sorry.
Tucson downtown. You can see in far away distance. It's kind of a nice place where you get a perfect 360 view. That's really cool. Oh, I better hurry. My hiking partner is all the way up there. It's really hot, guys. Hey, if you ever come this place, make sure you drink enough water. We are pretty much stopping at every water station and drinking enough water so you don't get dehydrated. It's really hot, but sometimes you get some nice breeze. It really feels good. So the hiking trail is basically, it's round, it's like a circle to make it easy for the people. It's really hot here, but we're gonna make it to the top. So come on guys, let's hike to the top. Come on guys, let's go. It's gonna be a little bit rough. It's kind of a sandstone. Yeah. So actually there's no proper hiking trail to the top. I don't know, for some reason I see a lot of glass pieces here. It's broken pieces. And is that part of any rituals? I have no idea, but you see here, it's all glass pieces. So you have to be careful. You can get a perfect 360 view right there, the church. Let's go down. Made it and that was a good experience.
So we just made this brief stop here at the Mission San Xavier, but it was interesting to see the local area and to see the local religious history.
Yep, it was really a good experience. So guys, it's a good place for a short visit.
Bring the sunscreen and the water bottles.
Yeah, and definitely it's really hot, so hope you enjoy this video.
We'll see you next time
when we hit the trail.